You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What is the gold card? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And the second question could be what is the EB-5 program? President Trump over the last days talked a lot about the EB-5 program, which he wants to get rid of, and the gold card he wants to implement. Gold card sounds very similar to the golden visa issued by certain European countries or other countries in the world where a high net worth individual would have a chance to enter the country by a certain investment. The initiative by President Trump is here to streamline the US residency and citizenship requirements for investors benefiting from the green card, which was given historically by the EB-5 program. The gold card essentially represents a significant shift in the US immigration strategy. The gold card targets high net worth individuals willing to invest in the United States economy. By setting the investment threshold up to 5 million, the program itself is more exclusive globally. And so far I have not seen whether this 5 million is an investment threshold or a payment to the United States government, and there is still a need for another payment on top of that. If you talk about initiatives, how Singapore or New Zealand are out there, this program is somewhere in line with that. The goal of any of those investment programs is to stimulate the local economy by adding jobs as well as getting new cash, new capital into the country. What's different with the new gold card initiative compared to the green card initiative before or compared to the EB-5 program is that the gold card seems to have a tax provision which would exclude foreign income. Traditionally, under the US tax policy, foreign citizens, foreign nationals who are permanent residents need to pay taxes on their worldwide income, which is true for US citizens, but green card holders or permanent residents are now also required to pay taxes on their worldwide income. Gold card holders, however, could be exempt from the taxation, and therefore it could be very attractive for a gold card holder who has income in, let's say, a country with 15% flat tax rate to have not to pay the difference between that taxes paid in a country abroad and the United States tax rate. It's compelling, it's attractive, and it may lure international investors to look into the United States. Implementing this gold card needs some different legal framework. I understand in reading and looking into the details of the proposal which is communicated so far, that this proposal would require congressional approval. Why? It fundamentally alters the current immigration laws. It currently is a very different environment. It also permanently alters the tax laws. And for those two reasons, that we have two different things which are normally regulated by Congress, I believe congressional approval is necessary. We are now creating a dual taxation system where gold card holders are taxed different from US citizens and residents. Will this go easy? Will this chain be challenged by some plaintiffs in a court action? I believe so. From a global perspective, however, the United States would become more attractive. If we are comparing this program with the implications for high net worth individuals who are in the past being able to invest money over an EB-5 program, the benefit is that it seems to be a bit easier in the processes, as a traditional EB-5 program can take years from the initial step until the final approval and the removal of the conditions attached to the green card. So I see a paradigm shift in attracting high net worth individuals to enter the United States, and it's a different approach to tax as well as to immigration policies. But letting aside the discussion about the United States tax and immigration system, we see global changes. We see a global landscape. And we also see a different global landscape of wealth migration. Now, my question to you is, how will your organization adapt to leverage such opportunities?
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.